So here we are in the second tab of sample screen in Program Edit. It's going to be a quick one, so without further ado, welcome to Creative Therapy. This screen's main focus is to quickly adjust some of basic parameters of each of our 4 layers. The layout is divided into 5 columns. First one lets you see what samples are loaded up in each layer and, if required, quickly change them, and is the only one excluded from the use of Q-Link knobs on this screen. From this point onwards, you can feel free to take advantage of them. Anyway, let's begin. First 2 columns relate to altering and fine adjusting the key of your sample. As you can see in this example, semi and fine adjustments are already present. That's because I have tweaked the key in the first tab, and those values are replicated also on this screen. The last 2 columns may also seem familiar, and you're right. Level and panning adjustments appear on global screen, but there are differences. While on global screen, those values were applied to the whole pad, but as you know, pads can be filled with up to 4 layers of different samples. And on this screen, the level and panning only applies to those individual layers. Just like I said in the beginning, that was a quick one. And that is it for this screen. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Keep occupied.